everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to enable pattern lock on SafePal application. To enable pattern lock on your SafePal Wallet app, open up the SafePal application and log into your account. After you're inside the home page, click on the gear icon at the top left corner within the app, and this will open up the settings menu. Tap on security from the settings list, and then click on Pattern Unlock. Now toggle on the button right next to Pattern Login and enter your security password for your wallet in the pop-up. Draw the pattern and create a lock pattern for your device. Confirm your pattern again by re-entering it or redrawing it, and there you have enabled Pattern Lock system for your wallet. Now, this will add an extra layer of security to your SafePal wallet by requiring the pattern lock to access it. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode.